let's get straight to it. 2005 Honda Accord. This is the 3.0 liter engine. All right, so we got all of our bolts up. There's a little lip right here in the corner. If you push on that lip, you can get this to pop up. All right, and you can see this is what the inside of that cover looks like. This is what the inside of the manifold looks like. So let's take this old gasket off. We won't be using this one anymore. This is trash now. All right, so I already got this surface area cleaned up here. If you haven't gotten that yet, go ahead and it's time to clean that up. And I got my cover cleaned up as well. So I did the same exact things I did on the rest of the surfaces. I used a wire wheel and a rag where I can. All right, so there's two bolts on here, one here and one here. It's gonna hold this gasket in place while we get our upper cover on here. Okay, so now our gasket is in place. We can go ahead and start to put our bolts on. All right, so we got all of these bolts and nuts torqued all the way down and everything is tight.